Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into a Comcast or Xfinity account. So you have an Comcast account which is known as the Xfinity account nowadays, and you want to log into that account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into your Xfinity account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log into your Xfinity account is open a browser and go to xfinity.com. Once you go to xfinity.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here, in order to sign in, what you need to do is tap on the sign in option in the top right corner. So tap on that option. Once you tap on the sign in option, you'll be taken to the sign in interface of Xfinity. So here what you need to do is enter few of your credentials in order to log into your Xfinity account. Or if you don't have an Xfinity account, what you can do is tap on the create one option just below the sign in interface. In order to create a new Xfinity account, you'll need to enter your mobile number or social security number in order to create your Xfinity account. So here, in order to log in, what you need to do is enter the email address, mobile number or username of the Xfinity account that you want to log in here in this text field. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, what you'll need to do is enter your password in this text field of the account that you want to sign into. So after you enter the password, if you want to stay signed in, just check this box. What it will do is it will save your sign in information in order to sign into your Xfinity account the next time you come to their page. So you'll automatically be signed in. So if you want to do that, just check this box, and then once you do all of that, what you need to do is tap on the sign in button right here. Once you tap on the sign in button, you'll successfully sign into your Xfinity account and you can enjoy using your Xfinity account. So those were the simple steps in order to create an Xfinity account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.